everyone! Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the stand on your Sceptre U32 computer monitor. If you're interested in this monitor or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get our stand set up. So we need to get the stand assembled, and everything you need is included with your monitor. So we have our two stand pieces here. They're going to line up just like so. And that's how the stand's going to look once it's finished. We will need to attach and fasten our 3 screws into the bottom of the base plate right there. Those screws are provided in a bag that'll look just like this that says, you guessed it, screw on it. And Sceptre even gives us a Sceptre branded Phillips head screwdriver. So go ahead, line up the two pieces just like this. Take those 3 screws, drop them in place and tighten them down. All right, there we go. We got the 3 screws fastened down in place. Now you'll see both pieces are firmly together. The next step is to attach our stand to the monitor itself. So with this design, we have basically these 2 tongues, I don't know what you want to call them, up at the top. And we're going to have to line them up and it will snap right in place. So that's what we're going to do right here. We're also going to tip this back a little bit, make it a smidge easier. But you're going to line it up. They'll slide right in and everything will just snap and click in place. So there we go. We just attached everything and now we're holding the monitor up under its own weight. Before we prop it up, I wanted you to know that if you ever need to remove the stand, we can see it from the side right here. We have a release lever. So just press that up and repeat the step in reverse order and that's it. So line it up, snap it in place, and now we can take everything and stand it upright. This is it. The stand has been installed. We have our tilt option down, tilt option back, and we can try to swivel it to the left or to the right, but there's nothing else we're able to do with the default stand. Just adjust the tilt and enjoy it for what it is.